Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video, we're going to talk about colors of the year. This year's color palette is set to transform your space into a haven of style and comfort. Watch this complete video for an in-depth guide on the most fashionable hues and how to incorporate them into your home. So, let's get started. Pantone's Peach Fuzz as their color of the year is a gentle blend of pink and orange tones. Compared to its predecessor, Viva Magenta, it dials down the intensity, celebrating coziness and connection. Peach Fuzz is a captivating choice for interior design, offering a unique blend of warmth, softness, and delicate versatility. Peach Fuzz pairs well with neutrals like whites, creams, and light browns for a soft, earthy palette. It also complements greens and blues for a vibrant contrast, ideal for trendy interior schemes. Merge this color of the year with plush textures like velvet, wool, or soft cotton to enhance its coziness. Moreover, natural materials like wood and stone will make a match made in heaven with its earthy undertones. In living rooms, Peach Fuzz can be used almost anywhere. Its sophisticated warmth makes it ideal for convivial areas. Apply it as an accent to walls, upholstery, or decor. You can also experiment with different saturations to create a monochrome space that feels super comforting yet elaborate. Peach Fuzz works wonderfully in smaller doses too. In a bedroom, this color promotes a sense of gentle tranquility and softness. Use it in bedding, curtains, or accessories to create a peaceful retreat. Lamps, artwork, and other decorative items in this color can also add a touch of warmth without overwhelming the space. Peach Fuzz can do a great job as a pop of color on accent cabinetry for a refreshing and soothing ambience. You may also consider it for wall paint or install a memorable chintz wallpaper. Meanwhile, Peach Fuzz mats, towels, or a shower curtain can bring a spa-like feel to an otherwise neutral bathroom scheme. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Upward is a serene blue with undertones of grey. This calming, slightly muted hue feels exceptionally delicate, embodying positive energy and contentment. Described as a universal shade, Upward has a broad appeal, fitting into various design styles and settings, from traditional to avant-garde. Sherwin-Williams' color of the year complements neutral tones like whites and greys. It also matches with natural greens, soft pinks, or earthy browns for a more dynamic, colorful interior design. In addition, Upward works wonders in coastal-inspired design schemes. To enhance the shade's tranquil nature, merge it with texture like linen, soft wool, or cotton. It also harmonizes well with wood and stone. Upward can bring a serene and clean look to kitchens and dining spaces, whether on cabinets, walls, or as an accent in dining chairs or tableware. It conveys an otherworldly, refreshing vibe. If you plan on remodeling your kitchen this year, use Upward and indulge in a brand new cooking experience. In bedrooms, Sherwin-Williams' color of the year offers a serene setting that promotes restful sleep. Whether applied on walls or as an accent color in bedding or decorative pillows, Upward adds a subtle, calming touch. This versatile hue blends well with various textures and complementary colors, enhancing the bedroom's overall comfort and atmosphere. Upward's redefined serenity makes it an excellent choice for sprucing up a powder room. This color can be used on walls or as an accent in towels and accessories, creating a refreshing and inviting experience for guests. It also elevates creative pairings with decorative elements such as elaborate mirrors and artwork. Benjamin Moore's color of the year, Blue Nova, offers a transformative potential for interior design. Described as both elevating and horizon expanding, this blend of electric blue and violet is inspired by a brilliance of a new star formed in space. Its ability to add a touch of elegance and depth makes it fit for creating sophisticated and luxurious interiors. Blue Nova makes a natural match to neutral tones like greys and whites. At the same time, it can significantly boost the impact of warmer hues like mustard or terracotta. Combining Blue Nova with luxurious textures like velvet or silk can amplify their elegance. Metallic accents and translucent glass can also complement its depth. Benjamin Moore's Color of the Year can make a bold statement in dining spaces. It adds a regal touch, whether as an accent wall or in dining chair upholstery, making it a perfect choice for formal dining experiences. Moreover, using Blue Nova in accessories and dining wear can make the space even more inviting and elegant. Blue Nova's rich and dynamic blend of undertones can transform cabinetry into a striking design statement, turning the feature into a focal point of the space. When applied to surfaces, this deep blue-violet shade introduces an element of sophistication and luxury, elevating the room's aesthetic appeal. Its ability to blend with both modern and traditional designs makes it a versatile option for diverse layouts. As an accent hue, Blue Nova's versatility shines through. Benjamin Moore's Color of the Year can be effortlessly used in smaller elements like throw pillows, vases, or artwork to add depth and intrigue. The color's intensity conveys visual interest and enhances contrast, particularly effective in spaces dominated by neutral or muted tones. Renew Blue, Valsper's Color of the Year, brings to the table a fresh and restorative perspective to interior design. This balanced blue with a dash of great sea green encapsulates an organic, harmonious, almost lyrical essence. Its nourishing character creates a sense of peace wherever placed. Renew Blue pairs well with bright shades such as white or cream for a subdued effect. It also complements earthy tones and natural greens for a more vibrant contrast. Combining Renew Blue with natural textures like wood, stone, or linen can emphasize its appeal and tactile qualities. As a bathroom color, Renew Blue can transform the space into a spa-like retreat. Its soothing tones work beautifully on walls, tiles, or bath linens, offering a serene backdrop for relaxation. Moreover, consider using Renew Blue in utilitarian spaces to infuse a sense of calm and orderliness. Pairing it with functional storage and organizational solutions can enhance their aesthetic, making it a visually appealing part of the home. In bedrooms, Renew Blue can foster a rejuvenating environment. Often a signature element of coastal design schemes, this blend of hues consequently draws on color psychology to trigger an emotional response. Use it in bedding, wall paint, or curtains to transform the space into a haven of relaxation. In living areas, this color can be used on accent walls or statement drapery, promoting a calm and cohesive look. Incorporate it in rugs or cushions for a tranquil living space. Alternatively, pick one signature piece of furniture and use it as a functional decor element. Somewhat unexpectedly, Bears singled out cracked pepper as their color of the year. This hue feels sleek and grounding, offering a sophisticated palette suitable for various spaces. Described as a color that can awaken the senses, cracked pepper brings a unique sensory depth to interiors, making it more than just a visual element. Cracked pepper makes an excellent backdrop for a wide range of colors, from soft pastels to bold hues, offering versatility in design choices. Combining this shade with various textures can add to its depth and richness. Cracked pepper also provides a perfect backdrop for natural materials, creating a dramatic juxtaposition that emphasizes their organic character. Cracked pepper boasts the potential to turn any wall into a dramatic focal point. This bold hue commands attention while providing a rich background for decorative elements, enhancing their visual appeal. Cracked pepper walls can also anchor lighter and brighter colors into a design scheme, an asset particularly effective in rooms with ample natural light. Cracked pepper can look quite exquisite on exterior trims or shutters, significantly enhancing a room's curb appeal. Its strong yet refined presence offers a striking contrast against lighter exterior colors. In addition, consider this bold choice for framing windows and doorways to convey a polished, sophisticated flair. As a furniture finish, Bear's Color of the Year uses sleek chicness that speaks volumes. Its deep, soft character makes a striking statement on larger furniture items like cabinets, bookcases, or dining tables, instantly becoming the centerpiece of a room. On smaller accent pieces such as side tables or chairs, Cracked pepper adds a touch of dramatic luxury. This versatile shade also pairs beautifully with a variety of hardware finishes, from brushed nickel to brass, offering endless possibilities for customization. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.